want to show you, this is a peach tree, a way to protect from ground squirrels. We got some really nice peaches growing on this. We've got this almond tree surrounded by a wire mesh cage, and that works pretty good for ground squirrels, but that's a smaller tree. A tree like this, I'm not going to be able to get a cage around it. In the past, I've also tried to use this plastic mesh against the ground squirrels. Now for these grape plants, it works fairly well, actually. But on a peach tree, I found it didn't work. They either chewed through it, they chewed through the mesh. Probably because they're very attracted to the peaches. And they're not so attracted to the grapes. They do attack the grapes to some extent, but not severely. So this plastic mesh does work for the grape plant. For the peach tree, what I've been doing, and this is very labor intensive, but I've been wrapping just regular pieces of cloth around the peaches. I found this is the most effective way so far. It's not completely foolproof because they will get some of the ones, even if you have the cloth over the fruit. Some of them they will get, but it really does deter them from devastating the entire tree. So, you know, I don't mind that. Let the wildlife have some of the fruit, and you know, and hopefully I can get as much as I can. This is what I use to cover the fruit. I just take some old sheets, old clothing, and I've got plenty of that. Just cut them into different pieces, tear them, and then I make strips out of some of them. And I first wrap the fruit with those larger ones, and then I tie the ends of the cloths around the small branches so they, you know, those don't unravel.